What's up, YouTube friends all over? Yeah, remember to hit that subscribe button, tell your friend about it, and everything like that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Today, got the B18B with the B16 head on it, turbocharged, all that good stuff. And today we're gonna install the wideband. So we got the AEM X series wideband, all that good stuff. Got the O2 sensor there. Got the harness to the ECU right here. Got the harness from the sensor to the wideband. All right. Right here, we got a bunch of wires, stuff like that. Got the black one, which I always stand for the grounds. Got the red one, which is the power, and got a few more there. I think one of them is the 0.5 output signal to like your own data, so you can like read it, all that good stuff. All right, so basically what I'm gonna do, I gotta get underneath there. I don't know if you can see it, but you gotta get that where is it? Right there. Gotta remove that right there. Get the O2 sensor in it. Once we get the O2 sensor in it, we're gonna run the wire harness. Try to find the location right here to send it through, and then go on from there. All right. Gonna set up. Alright guys, got the sensor in. Now we're gonna got the sensor in, got the connector right here. Hold on. Got the connector right here. I'm gonna go ahead and connect up this harness. I got a extra hole right over here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right here. You see that white line? I'm gonna send it through. All right. Go inside the car and search for it. Okay, guys. This right. You can see it right up there. If you can see, it's a little bit dark. Go ahead and pull it through. Just gonna pull it all the way through for now. Alright, we already got it through.